Hello everyone, today we are making chicken and cabbage stir fry. It's simple, quick and flavorful, and with a kick of laoganma chili oil. It has that extra taste that makes it really appetizing and perfect with rice. We start with 220 grams of chicken thighs, about 2 pieces, and slice them into strips. And then marinate with 1½ tablespoon of soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder, 1/8 teaspoon of white pepper, 1/2 teaspoon sugar, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Mix everything together to coat it. And then add 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix again or use your hand to massage the chicken so the marinade can really absorb. As the chicken marinates, let's move on to the cabbage. Cut about 300 grams of cabbage into 1-inch squares and then set aside. And now we are going to prepare the carrots and the aromatics. Slice 40 grams of carrots. And then chop 2 stalks of green onions and separate the white parts and green parts. Then we chop 1 shallot into small pieces. And slice 3 cloves of garlic. Now all the vegetables and the aromatics are ready. Let's make the sauce. Keep 1 tablespoon of laoganma chili oil aside. We'll use it separately in the wok for extra flavor. Then in a small bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and some white pepper powder, and mix it evenly. Now everything is ready to go. Let's start cooking with the chicken first. Heat a little bit oil in the pan, and then add the marinated chicken and spread it out. Let it sear on one side before turning it over. Then stir fry till it's almost cooked through. Then splash 1 tablespoon of Szechuan wine and then add half of the garlic, shallot, and the white parts of the green onion. Stir till the chicken is fully cooked. Then remove and set aside. Now let's stir fry the vegetables. Add a little bit more oil. In the wok, saute the remaining garlic, shallot, and green onion whites till fragrant. And then add the chili oil and let it sizzle. Then toss in the carrots, give them a quick stir for 15 to 20 seconds. Then add the cabbage and cook quickly over high heat till it just starts to soften. Finally, return the chicken to the wok. Pour in the sauce and stir everything together to evenly coat it. Then add a little bit of salt and give it a quick toss. And finish with the green onion greens. Stir a few more times and the dish is ready to serve. And that's it, chicken and cabbage stir fry. Tender chicken and crunchy cabbage and tasty healthy flavor with just the right kick of chili heat. Hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a thumb up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more home cooked recipes. Thank you for watching and see you next time.